So this is my car here, and that is the bubble. I wasn't sure what's the bubble look like, but this is it right here. It's bulging out. See, as you can see, it's coming out. So what happened is I was driving through a pothole, coming back home to work the other day, and it suddenly hit a pothole, and I didn't notice this until the day after, when I was airing up my tire, and it started bubbling up. So I went and took it to mechanic. Mechanic said that I can't drive for a longer period of time. You can still drive it for like maybe 20-30 minutes on the road, but you can't drive more than an hour. Because what happened is this bubble forming is that mean that there is a steel chain around surrounding your tire, and if it breaks, it will create a bubble. What did it here? So I'm gonna have to get it replaced, or if maybe I can fix it through a mechanic. So I know a mechanic can fix it. So if I can fix it, if he can fix it, I'll let you guys know what he did. But I'm assuming he would just. I heard that you can take this tire out and release the bubble somehow. So let's see what he did, and I'll get back to you. But this is what a bubble is. And you can't drive this because I heard the consequences is if you do drive with a bubble tire, there's a high chance that your tire can get ripped out on the road, and especially if you're driving on a highway, it's not good for you. You can be in causing an accident and stuff if your tire ripped off on the road. So you don't want to do that. So with a bubble, don't drive. That's it. That's why I made this video. Just don't drive with a bubble tire. All right. Thanks for watching.